Welcome and hi. My name is David. In this channel, you'll see what happens when we discover the dark side of humanity. When people go to its limits and commit the unthinkable. We will analyze the clues that led these criminal minds to gruesome crimes. We will uncover the wicked truth behind every case. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. This is the case of Sheila Mack. Hailing from Minnesota, Sheila pursued a degree in political science at Simmons College in Boston. Following her studies, she secured a position working for Ted Kennedy. Recounting her experience in an interview with the Caxton Club, Sheila mentioned engaging in research tasks and handling various responsibilities inherent in political life. She even found herself serving tea to Rose Kennedy on a couple of occasions. During a challenging incident where Sheila became a victim of crime, Ted Kennedy stood by her side in court. Subsequently, after her tenure with Senator Kennedy, Sheila transitioned to working for Jackie Kennedy. Later, while pursuing a PhD at the University of Chicago, she formed a friendship with the renowned novelist Saul Bellow. Heather Mack, the daughter of Sheila von Wiese, was born to the renowned jazz musician and composer James L. Mack. Unfortunately, tragedy struck the family during one of their trips together, leading to James L. Mack's untimely death. The Macks embarked on a Royal Caribbean Mediterranean cruise in 2001, where James suffered a foot injury. The ship's doctors' inadequate medical treatment resulted in partial paralysis, leading to a prolonged legal battle. James filed a lawsuit against Royal Caribbean, claiming partial paralysis and the need to urinate in a bottle. In 2004, police responded to a call at the Mack residence, addressing allegations that children from James's previous relationships were being denied access to their father. Heather's mother, Sheila, reportedly turned off lights and pretended not to be home during these incidents. Tragedy struck again in 2006 when the Macks vacationed in Greece. James L. Mack passed away in his hotel from a pulmonary embolism on August 6th. The lawsuit from 2001 was finally settled in 2011. After legal fees, Sheila Mack received $340,667, and the estate of James Mack was awarded $500,000. Despite a will, dated 5 days before James L. Mack's death, leaving his entire estate to Heather Mack, a judge in Cook County, Illinois, awarded the $500,000 to Sheila Mack. Following her husband's demise, the relationship between Sheila Mack and her daughter took a troubling turn. Reports indicate that the police were called to the Mack residence on 86 occasions between January 2004 and June 2013, responding to theft and domestic violence incidents involving the mother-daughter duo. In January 2010, Heather allegedly punched her mother's already broken ankle and was accused of stealing $1,000. A more severe incident occurred in February 2011 when Heather broke her mother's arm and removed the phone cord to hinder her from calling 911. Subsequent events in July 2011 and November 2012 involved threats and physical harm inflicted by Heather on her mother. Heather attended Oak Park and River Forest High School from 2010 to 2014. During her senior year, she began a relationship with Tommy Schaefer, an unemployed rapper known as Tommy XX. Sheila disapproved of the relationship, prompting her to sell their house and relocate to Gold Coast, Chicago. Despite these efforts, Heather became pregnant by Tommy. According to her lawyer, Heather had undergone 2 abortions under her mother's influence. Sheila was allegedly seeking power of attorney over her daughter to enforce a 3rd abortion, a situation that unfolded while Sheila booked their final trip to Bali. At that point, they were still awaiting blood work results to confirm Heather's pregnancy. Despite being cautioned by a friend against bringing his teenage daughter on a vacation to Bali, Sheila von Wiese-Mack met a tragic end. In August 2014, Sheila and Heather checked into the St. Regis Hotel in Nusa Dua, Bali, having flown first class. However, tensions escalated when Heather used her mother's credit card to book a business class flight for her boyfriend, Tommy. Tommy initially claimed he had traveled to Bali to inform Sheila about Heather's pregnancy, but later released emails contradicted this statement. On the night of August 7, 2014, security cameras at the St. Regis captured footage of Sheila engaging in a heated argument with Schaefer in the hotel lobby. Shortly thereafter, Tommy Schaefer fatally assaulted Sheila with a metallic blunt object in their hotel room. Following the tragic incident, Heather and Tommy concealed Sheila von Wiese-Mack's lifeless body in a suitcase, which they placed in the trunk of a taxi outside the St. Regis. When the couple failed to return, a vigilant security guard discovered blood near the suitcase and directed the cab driver to the police station. Subsequent inspection by the police revealed Sheila's body inside the suitcase, leading to the arrest of both Mack and Schaefer at a nearby motel. Despite the couple initially claiming that robbers were responsible for Sheila's death, they were unable to evade justice. Sheila's daughter, Heather, and her boyfriend, Tommy Schaefer, were apprehended in connection to the heinous crime. On September 19th, Schaefer confessed to the murder of Sheila, while Heather acknowledged her role in helping him place the body in the suitcase. The charges of premeditated murder were officially filed against them on January 14, 2015, with the potential punishment being death by firing squad. Schaefer asserted that he took Sheila von Wiese-Mack's life after she allegedly threatened harm to their unborn child and choked him for approximately 30 seconds. Subsequently, in April 2015, Heather Mack received a 10-year prison sentence, while Tommy Schaefer was sentenced to 18 years. Heather Mack was granted a total of 34 months in remission from her prison sentence, inclusive of a 6-month Independence Day remission bestowed by President Joko Widodo in August 2021. She was released from prison on October 29, 2021, expressing a desire to stay in Indonesia with her daughter, citing safety reasons compared to Chicago. Indonesian immigration authorities declared immediate deportation for both individuals. This decision was based on her daughter being born American under Indonesia's jus sanguinis nationality law. Upon her return to the United States, Mack faced arrest on charges of conspiracy and obstruction. Initially scheduled for a federal trial in July 2023, Mack changed course in June 2023 by pleading guilty to 1 count of conspiring to kill a U.S. national. Pursuant to her plea agreement, she could face a maximum of 28 years in prison. On January 17, 2024, Mack was handed a 26-year prison sentence. Thank you for watching, and make sure to comment below and leave your thoughts. And that concludes our mystery-solving journey for today. If you enjoyed the way we presented this true crime story and want more, do us a favor and hit that like button. Your support keeps the intrigue alive. Subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, stay curious. This is Killer's Bite signing off.